This video is how to use this collaborative tool to learn statistics. We start by typing in the room ID that your instructor should have given you. After that, we're going to put in the user ID that the instructor gave you. And then we type in your name, probably your first name for the username. And then finally, we put in the spreadsheet. We copy and paste the URL from your data spreadsheet into this field where it says spreadsheet. Click on Agree, and then click on Sign In. And that will bring us to this collaboration tool. We can see we have a little discussion area, and we can also see the spreadsheet button. And if you click on the spreadsheet button, that will bring us a spreadsheet with our data. And in particular, at the bottom, you'll see Combined, Team A, and Team B. If I click on Team A, then the data from Team A will show up. If I click on Team B, the data from Team B will show up. And on Combined, we can see the combined data. So now let's start out with the collaboration to learn statistics collaboratively. So the first thing we do is we read the virtual professor's prompt. We're asked to put in our name and say something we like about statistics. So I type in, "Hi, I'm Larry, and I enjoy statistics presidential polls," or something like that. And then when I'm done typing, I make sure I hit the Enter key so that it posts for everybody. And when I'm ready to continue on, I hit I'm ready. And notice I can read everyone else's discussion as they're typing in also. So next, the professor will ask us to look at the spreadsheet. So I'm going to go to the Spreadsheet tab, and I'm supposed to compare the histograms. I can go to Team A's histogram, take a look at it, notice its features. Then I can go to Team B's histogram, take a look at it, and notice its features. And once I've decided how they're the same and how they're different, I can put that into the discussion box. I can also read everyone else's little blogs. For example, Barbara thinks that both data sets are unimodal. Don't forget, when you're done typing in the discussion box, hit Enter. And when you're ready to move on, you hit I'm ready. Another thing we can do is we can go to the Collaborative Notes tool. In the Collaborative Notes tool, we can type in what we think is going to help our teammates and the other team. And they could be typing also. And as they're typing, we'll see what they're typing. What's written will stay in the collaborative notes for the entire session. We can even go back to them by looking at the URL later. And it's just a way to collect our thoughts, work together, and then we don't have to scroll so much up and down in these discussion boxes to look at what we've looked at. And these are called collaborative notes. A very nice tool. So notice I have a Wikipedia site. I am going to share that in the sharing space. I'm going to go into this little URL area. I'm going to paste it in there. And then I can share the image URL, and there it is up there. And if anyone clicks on it, this will be for everybody, it will go right to the URL of this site that I had looked at. It's a nice little tool. So this particular collaboration site is all about working together so that we can type notes to each other. So what you're going to do is the virtual professor is going to tell you instructions, read those instructions, and then work together to try and figure out what this data is all about. Read each other's comments, put in your own little comments, use the discussion box as I'm doing. Don't forget to hit Enter when you're done typing, and don't forget that when you're ready to move on to the next topic, to click I'm ready. And that's how this discussion tool works. So hopefully this video helps you get going for the collaboration that you're going to be doing with your partners. You'll be able to use the collaborative notes. You'll be able to use the discussion boxes. You'll be able to share URLs and other things and learn statistics. Thank you.